Question number 6, exercise 6.2. PQ and RS are two mirrors. PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. These mirrors are parallel to each other. And incident ray means आने वाली जो रे है, an incident ray AB strike the mirror PQ at the point the reflected ray BC moves along the path BC and strike the mirror RS at C. यहां पर स्ट्राइक करती है, then again reflected back along CD. Then we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. I am explaining you. Two mirrors are placed parallel to each other. One incident ray is strike on B and reflected along the path BC. Now strike on point C and reflect again along the path CD. Now we have to show that this line AB is parallel to CD. So if we show this angle is equal to this angle, so we can say AB is parallel to CD. That's why, because this angle will be equal in one case if these lines are parallel, because these angles will become alternate angles. So let's draw a perpendicular here. You can write down here E and draw another perpendicular from C. Here you can write down here F. Now we know that by the law of sines, incident angle is equal to reflected angle. This is incident angle and this is reflected angle. These angles are equal by the law of sines. So you can nomenclature this angle X and this is angle Y. Again, this is incident ray. So this angle will equal to this angle. XY, you can write down here A and B. Reflected angle is equal to incident angle. This is the law of sines. Now, X is equal to Y because incident angle is equal to reflected angle. This is first. Again here A equal to B. This is 2. Now here we can see here Y will equal to angle A. Why? Because BE and CF are two parallel lines, because these are perpendicular. So these are two parallel lines and one line is, this line is transversal line. So angle Y will equal to angle A also. So you can write down angle Y is equal to angle A. So angle Y is equal to angle A and angle Y is also equal to angle X. So we can say the overall four angles are equal. So we can say by first, second and third, X is equal to Y is equal to A is equal to B. Look again, X is equal to Y, A is equal to B. Incident angle equal to reflected angle, incident angle is equal to reflected angle. Now this is a perpendicular and this is also a perpendicular. So Y will equal to angle A because two parallel lines are here. So this is a alternate angle. So Y will equal to A. So we can say X is equal to Y and Y is equal to A. So we can say X is equal to Y is equal to A is equal to B. Means all four angles will be equal. Now if four angles are equal, then we can say if x plus y, we can add x plus y is equal to a plus b. Suppose the value of x is 1 and the value of y is also 1. So this will also 1. So when we add x plus y, this is 2. A plus b, this is also 2. So you can write down x plus y is equal to a plus b. X plus y is equal to a plus b. So we can write down the angle ABC. You can write down angle ABC is equal to a plus b means angle BCD. A plus b means angle BCD. Angle BCD. And this will be possible in one case only, if when AB is parallel to CD. So that's why AB parallel to CD. So these are alternate angles. You can write down or take the snapshot.